Are you trying to choose between Behance and Adobe Portfolio? You're not alone. Many creatives face this decision. In this video, we'll compare these two popular platforms for showcasing your work. Both are great for sharing your projects, but they have some key differences. Behance is a social network for creative professionals. It allows you to share your work and connect with other artists. You can follow others, get feedback, and even find job opportunities. It's all about community and visibility. On the other hand, Adobe Portfolio is a tool for creating personalized websites. It lets you build a portfolio that reflects your style. You can customize your layout and showcase your work in a way that feels unique to you. It's more about having your own space online. When it comes to differences, the main one is focus. Behance is community driven, while Adobe Portfolio is about personal branding. If you want to engage with others, Behance might be better. If you want a custom site, go for Adobe Portfolio. In terms of features, Behance offers project feedback and community interaction. Adobe Portfolio provides templates and design options to create a stunning website. Both have their strength, but it depends on what you need. Now, let's talk about pricing. Behance is free to use, which is a huge plus. Adobe Portfolio is included with an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, so it might cost more depending on your plan. So, who should choose what? If you want to connect and share, go with Behance. If you prefer a professional website, Adobe Portfolio is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.